I'm going to do a quick update on my the Stampede here. Now, I had a few people also wondering about my setup. That is a Gool RC ESC. Let me back it up and show you what's going on inside real quick, because there was a couple viewers that also stated they didn't believe that it was a Gool ESC still running my motor. Now, I'm gonna take this off. Now, check this out. She's still running. Velcroed on. Flip her over. Right there's your Gool RC.
It's the same one he's had in there for ages.
It's, I don't know how old it is exactly, but I also have experience with your ESCs going up. If you have a 2 and 3S ESC, I've had experiences with when you go to 3S, your ESC gets used to a 3S output. And when you go back to 2S, it doesn't want to run quite the same. I've not had any problems out of this. I can go from 2S to 3S back to 2S, all in within the same running period and not have any issues. It is cool out. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a fun time.
Hey guys, we have a Moxoo SP. It's from Team Co-Rally. This one's the 2-wheel drive brushed version.
California, baby.
We got this from Big Hill Hobbies in Richmond. It's been a little while. Everything's kind of shut down around us right now.
Go over see Mike. He's a good guy. He'll get you together. I got a comparison here. I'm going to show you. That's the original Stampede from Traxxas. Now, first off thing I noticed is this puppy is a bit wider. Let me show you here. That tire, even with this tire all the way back, you still get probably a 1/2 inch of width. What that does is on your cornering, it makes you a lot more stable. The Traxxas Stampede well, they love to flip. That right there, I can corner at almost wide open trigger and only get maybe 2 or 3 inches of tire lift.
I've seen this every time that I've went to that hobby shop, and I wanted this truck so bad. We've been waiting on the right time to bust it out, and since everything's closed around us and we can't really do much, I figured this is the best time to bust it out. So we'll see how it does. That's full throttle.
Full throttle. It is brushed. It does come in a brushless version. Don't know how many kilovolt exactly. I will look that up before I edit this video. That way I can get you all the information on this beautiful truck. Oh God. It is a 12-turn brushed. Now I would recommend this for, even though our channel is 14 and older, for a, I don't know, between 10 and 14. I ain't gonna lie, a 14-year-old might get bored a little quick after she hopped over the Stampede though, the tire. Oh, okay. Getting ready for that. And she got mud on it, but that's how we break them in. That is a fully charged 2S 7.4 volt gold bat. I heard something. I ain't stopping recording either.
Oh God.
She's on her top. Let's see how she did. Let's zoom in on it.
Well, Mike said that the other person that bought these
Straight into a wall and only broke a shock link. Stampede over here on deck. I can't really drive and record that. Bleep. That thing will hit 45 in a matter of seconds. And then it'll jump to a backflip if you burst out the 320 amps in it. I don't think she's broke. I'm wobbling.
Huh?
I was wobbling walking. Nothing broke. She's still up and going. I think she hit the, this is a good little separation right here with about a 12-inch drop. I was looking to see if I could, oh yeah, there it is. There it is. There's where you hit. Let's see here. Right there.
Hey, this is pretty sturdy then.
That's a good little hit. Nice truck. I'd call it great as far as the platform. We're back. I had to cut out for a second, a little bit of traffic coming through. I don't know where I was exactly, but I'm gonna take off with saying that, well, not saying, stating what the box said. 12-turn motor, 40 amp ESC.
2 to 3S for the ESC.
2 to 3S for the ESC. Damn sure not 3S for the motor. You watch it go up and smoke quick. But we might give it a 3S try. Depends on what she thinks.
Probably not right now.
Oh, I guess we're brand new. Oh, that's too bad. No
Maybe in a later video.
No influencing today.
Later video, guys.
I try not to influence my videos. I try to show what works. Buy what you want.
This is a pretty great buggy. I actually really like this. I'm pretty picky on what I run.
It looks slow.
I mean, I'm not opening it up.
Oh, okay, that's why. Okay, there it is. You went off road. Oh wow, that culvert, it'll get you.
Yeah, every time.
Way out there.
A couple of things that I could see could be improved on it is it doesn't go that well in grass. It wants to seem to slow down, or maybe it's just we need to mow the yard. That and the turning could be a little bit easier. Other than that, it's a great starter buggy for sure.
Yeah, it does have a little bit of tilt in the turning. Why don't you bring it up to me and stop? See,
It's got a little bit of a weird lean.
It does have tilt steering, which does not help unless you are an IndyCar driver. A camber, angle, toe, in and out. Come on. It's a basher. Don't need all that leaning while steering. We need tread on the ground. It's a little 12 turn in there. I ain't used to brush. Oh, I missed that. Hold on. There you go. Rip up some dirt. Slow it down. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun.
We ended up getting this at Big Hill Hobbies in Richmond. Huge thanks to Mike. Huge thanks to Mike for getting this for us. It's been a great one, especially since we don't have much else to do at the moment. See you later, guys.